In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer setup and work data from your Generation 4 display to the John Deere Operations Center using the MyTransfer app. If you don't have a JD-Link connected machine, the MyTransfer app is one of the various other options for transferring your data. The other methods, including Wi-Fi transfer and USB transfer through Data Manager, are covered in separate videos. Using the MyTransfer app to transfer data requires a mobile device and a dual drive USB. If you use iOS, you'll need a SanDisk ixpand USB, and if you're an Android user, you'll be able to use a dual drive of the same capacity, such as the SanDisk dual drive USB. Make sure the capacity of the USB is 64 GB or less, as this is what the display is compatible with. Once you've completed your work in the field and you're ready to transfer your data to the Operations Center, start by plugging your dual drive USB into the side of the display. From the USB drive options that appear, select Export Data, which will take you to the Export section of the File Manager app. From here, you can either select specific field work data to export through the Custom Export option, or simply export all data to USB. We'll export all data in this scenario. Next, select the types of data that you'd like to export. Work data includes all your operational data such as yield, planting, or as-applied maps. If you've created any new field boundaries, you can select them here to be sent to the Operations Center. Likewise, if you've created any other new setup data such as client, farm, and field information, or products, you can choose to export it here and update what is currently in Operations Center. In this situation, we only want to export work data, so we will deselect all of the other options. Click Export on the screen and wait for the transfer to complete before clicking OK and removing the USB when prompted. Now open the MyTransfer app on your iOS or Android device. From the main screen, select the Upload Files to John Deere Operations Center option. The following screen guides you through the steps to upload data. We have already completed the first step, which is to load the data from the display onto a USB transfer device. Now we can transfer the data from the USB device to the MyTransfer app, and then upload it to Operations Center. Click OK to start this process. Select the ixpand drive option and physically plug the ixpand USB into your mobile device, and then click Next. Choose what type of file you'd like to upload, and again in this instance, we will select only documentation and log files. Your device will confirm the transfer of data from the USB, and you can now choose to transfer the files to Operations Center. If you haven't signed in before, you'll be prompted to sign into My John Deere, after which you'll be able to select which organization you'd like to upload the data to. Choose the organization and select OK to start the upload. Your data will now be available to view in Operations Center. The MyTransfer app is also compatible with a number of third-party display types, such as Trimble, AgLeader, Raven, and Precision Planting 2020, among others. Data can be exported from these displays and uploaded directly to the Operations Center through the MyTransfer app. To change the display setting in the app, select the menu button at the top right, and then choose the Select Displays option under the Settings section. You can then use the same process we've just followed to upload your data to the Operations Center. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other how-to videos.